Welcome back. In this video or lecture, I'm going to talk about the Android Q beta program for developers. Super exciting, very, very powerful. I'm going to talk about the 15 top features of this Android Q. So stay tuned. Let's jump right in with our first feature. So the first feature is that the iconic back button is now going away. The back button, a navigation staple of Android, is officially going away with Android Q. Following up on Pi's gesture-based navigation that kept the aging back button around for quite some time now, Android Q is swapping it out with a side swipe gesture. Okay, so that's the first feature. Second feature, there's finally a system-wide dark mode. Hooray! After years of begging and talking about things, Google's confirmed that Android Q will now have a system-wide dark theme that can be turned on and off at a time through a quick settings toggle. Even better, Google has created a new API, by the way, that developers can use to have their apps go to the dark theme, as well as when a system-wide setting is turned on. Third feature, great, is new theming options. So being able to customize our phones to the fullest extent is one of the things that makes Android just so great. And with Android Q, something exciting could be happening on this front. So buried in developer options of Beta 1, for example, you can now change the accent color of the entire UI. The option right now includes a default blue, green, purple, and black. In Beta 2, a new app appeared which was called Pixel Themes. While not fully functional quite yet, it's assumed that this is where these customization tools will live in the final version. Next feature is live captions transcribes media locally in real time. This is super exciting. Closed captions are crucial for people who are hard of hearing to understand what's being said in a video, podcast, for example, or any other form of media where these words are spoken. And to make sure that these are available virtually everywhere, Android Q comes with a feature called Live Caption. Live Caption is able to provide real-time captions for just about anything on your phone where someone is talking, and the best part is that it happens locally on your device. Let's go to our next option. Big changes coming to permissions. Privacy is a bigger concern than ever before, and with Android Q, Google is implementing some new features for app permissions to help you give a better understanding and more control over what exactly apps on your phone have access to. Let's move to the next feature, an improved share menu. This is really nice. Android's share menu has been really a mess for a while now. The core functionality is fine, it works perfectly, but it's regularly slow to open no matter what your phone you're using. Thankfully, Android Q addresses this very problem. Google briefly mentions in its own Google Developers platform, saying that the Share UI can load instantly when it's launched. The next option feature, built-in screen recording is a thing. So what you can do now is that one of the most requested features for Android is built-in screen recording. Well, guess what, guys? It has been answered. It's live in Android Q. While it's a little tricky to enable right now, as it's hidden deep in the developer options, it is functional and allows you to natively record a video on your screen with an optional voiceover and visual indicators for your taps on the screen, which is really, really powerful. Next option, better support for foldable phones. 2019 will be the year that foldable phones will finally hit the market and ensure the experience of these new devices is as good as it can be. Google's optimized Android Q with foldable specific features and experiences. So stay tuned for additional updates on Android Q, and I also have a new course coming up on Android Q, which I'm hopefully getting ready and making sure that I have all the features, the new features from the development perspective, and I'm going to provide these to developers just like yourself. So stay tuned for my next course. Post in the comments down below if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, click on the bell notification so you get notified with the next round of updates. So I'll see you guys in my next video.